World of citrus fruits, a tangy tale of history, types, and benefits. Citrus fruits are some of the most beloved fruits in the world, known for their refreshing taste and incredible health benefits. But did you know that their journey spans thousands of years? Let's dive into the vibrant history of citrus fruits, explore their diverse varieties, unpack their nutritional content, and discover the amazing benefits they offer. Citrus fruits originated in Southeast Asia, particularly in regions now parts of India, China, and Malaysia. Their history can be tracked back as far as 4000 BCE. These fruits spread westward via trade routes, reaching the Mediterranean by around 200 BCE. Citrus civilization flourished in southern Europe and North Africa, eventually making its way to the Americas in the 15th and 16th century through explorers like Christopher Columbus. Today, citrus fruits are grown worldwide. The Brazil, China, and the United States among the top producers. Types of citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are incredibly diverse. Let's look at some popular varieties. Oranges. Sweet and juicy, they are the most widely consumed citrus fruit. High in vitamin C, fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. Benefits: boosts immunity, supports heart health, improves skin quality, and promotes healthy digestion. Lemons. Known for their tangy and refreshing flavor, perfect for culinary use. Rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and small amounts of B vitamins. Benefits: aids digestion, promotes hydration, supports weight loss, and improves skin health. Limes. Smaller and sharper in taste than lemons, often used in beverages and marinades. Similar to lemons, with vitamin C and antioxidants, helps prevent kidney stones, boosts collagen production, and enhances iron absorption. Grapefruits. A mix of sweet and bitter, loved for their unique taste and juiciness. Loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and low in calories. Benefits: supports weight management, improves heart health, and reduces insulin resistance. Tangerines and mandarins. Smaller and sweeter than oranges, easy to peel and snack on. High in vitamin C, beta carotene, and folate. Benefits: promotes healthy vision, boosts immunity, and supports fetal development during pregnancy. Pomelos, the largest citrus fruit, mild in flavor with a thick, spongy rind. Rich in vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber. Benefits: helps reduce blood pressure, supports digestive health, and combats oxidative stress. Additional benefits of citrus fruits: hydration. Their high water content helps keep you hydrated. Low calories, perfect for weight conscious individuals. Versatility, great for juices, salads, desserts, and as flavor enhancers in savory dishes. Mood boosters, their refreshing aroma and flavor can uplift your spirits. Conclusion: citrus fruits are not only delicious and versatile, but also a treasure trove of nutrients and health benefits. Whether it's a juicy orange, a tangy lemon, or a sweet tangerine, these fruits have something for everyone. So, next time you reach for a snack, consider adding a burst of citrus to your day. It's nature's way of keeping you happy and healthy.